Stellar's price is roughly equal to $0.1066 per coin. The current exchange rate is between $0.1046 and $0.1080, which is a very wide range. The previous day's close price was $0.1074, and the change was between $0.0008 and 74 cents, which is a very wide range. This is a very important rate for converting US dollars to XLM. Value expected in the near future and for the next month. Stellar predictions for Monday, August 7th cost between 0.10 and 0.11, but at least 0.09. Stellar's price on Tuesday, August 8th, is predicted to be between 0.11 and 0.12, with a minimum of 0.10. This is a very big number. On Wednesday, August 9th, they thought that the price would be between 0.11 and 0.12, but not less than 0.10. On Thursday, August 10th, the price was between 0.11 and 0.12, but it was probably closer to 0.10, which is a lot. On Friday, August 18th, the price estimate was between 0.12 and 0.13 and as low as 0.11. Which is a pretty big range in a week. On Monday, August 14th, Stellar forecast cost anywhere from 12 cents to 13 cents, or as little as 11 cents in a quiet way. The most you can expect to pay on Tuesday, August 15th, is 12 cents. 0.13 is definitely less than 0.11, which is a huge number in every way. The best estimate on Wednesday, August 16th was 0.12. 0.11 is a lot bigger than 0.13. On Thursday, July 20th, the price is expected to be between 0.12 and 0.13, but at least 0.11. This is usually very important. On Friday, July 21st, the Stellar forecast cost was between 0.12 and 0.11, which can be very important in about 14 days. On Monday, July 24th, the most you can expect to pay is 0.13. 0.14 is basically the same as 0.12 in a quiet way. On Tuesday, July 25th, a number of 0.13 was without a doubt the best. 0.14 really rented out 0.1 to a large degree. On Wednesday, July 26th, they thought the cost would be between 0.13 and 0.14, with a low of 0.12 and a high of 0.14. On Thursday, July 20th, a Stellar quote cost between 0.13 and 0.12, which is a big difference. On Friday, July 21st, the most it will cost is projected to be 0.13. At least 0.14 and preferably 0.12, which is important in 3 weeks. On Monday, July 24th, a Stellar figure cost between 0.13 and 0.14, or at least that's what most people thought. On Tuesday, July 25th, cost 0.13 probably reached its highest point. All things considered, at least 0.12 in a huge way. On Wednesday, July 26th, the star gauge cost anywhere from 0.13 to 0.14 to 0.12, which means that the change was 0.0008 to 0.74, which is not what most people think. On Thursday, July 27th, the price is expected to be between 0.13 and 0.14, or at least 0.12, which is a big difference. On Friday, July 28th, the Stellar prediction cost 0.13 on average, the most it could cost was 0.14, and the least it could cost was 0.12. This happened in a quiet way in about a month. On Monday, August 14th, the expected cost is 0.13. The most it could be is 0.14, and the least it could be is 0.12. This shows how much the exchange rate from US dollars to XLM really matters. Stellar figure cost 0.12 sort of best on Tuesday, August 1st. 0.13 genuinely least 0.11. which is a really big United States dollars to XLM conversion standard fundamentally equal to 9.3809 coins per $1. So really reverse rate United States dollars to XLM, which is really important. Today's reach 9.25939.5602, very different from what most people think. The previous is close to 9.3110, especially different from what most people think, change for now falling 0.14 in a really big way. In a very important way, $1 was expected to be worth 9.091 XLM on Tuesday, August 8th. On August 9th, 10,000 coins were the most extreme compared to what most people thought a dollar to stellar measure would be. On Thursday, August 10th, 10,000 really rented 8.333 fundamentally important US dollars for 9.091 coins most expensive. 1 million in any way that matters cost 8.3333 stellar gauge coins on Friday, August 18th. On Monday, August 14th, 9.091 lovely rented 7.692 in weekly US dollars to XLM, which was expected to cost 8.333 coins at the very most. In contrast to what most people think, the price of a dollar in stellar on Tuesday, August 15th, is expected to be at least 7.692 coins and at most 8.333 coins. The prediction for the exchange rate of 9.091 US dollars to XLM on Wednesday, August 16th was 8.333 coins. All things considered, the best 9.091 least 7.692 most likely against the average dollar to stellar estimate on Thursday, July 20th, cost 8.333 coins. Gray's latest work was: Bitcoin stays at $30,000, Ethereum is above $1,900, and XRP goes up by 6%. Bitcoin nursed its wounds from the weekend and made small gains to stay above the $30,000 mark. Ethereum also went up a little bit but stayed below the $1,950 level. Bitcoin and other crypto tokens got over the weekend jitters, which were caused by people selling their digital tokens for a profit. But traders are still optimistic because a lot of money is coming into Toronto's Purpose Bitcoin ETF, which shows that market demand is high. The digital tokens were also backed by a positive decision from a U.S. court. Bitcoin was licking its wounds from the weekend as the largest cryptocurrency made small gains to keep its price above $30,000. Its biggest competitor, Ethereum, was also a little bit higher, but stayed below $1,950. Prices for active altcoins